What are company core values? Company core values are the fundamental beliefs and principles that guide the behavior, decisions, and actions of individuals within the organization. These values serve as the foundation of the company's culture and shape its identity. Let's look at some key characteristics of company core values. Guidance. Core values provide a framework for employees to make decisions and prioritize actions, ensuring alignment with the organization's mission and goals. Consistency. Core values are consistently upheld across all levels of the organization, from leadership to frontline employees, fostering a sense of unity and shared purpose. Culture. Core values are deeply embedded in the company's culture and are reflected in its day-to-day operations, interactions, and practices. Enduring. Core values are enduring and resilient, remaining steadfast even in the face of challenges or changes in the business environment. Let's look at a few examples of company core values. Integrity, excellence, collaboration, accountability. So I'm not going to define these words for you. The key when you pick whatever a core value is for your company, make sure that it is aligned with your vision and mission statement, because those three together are what create the purpose for your company. The Marine Corps uses core values of honor, courage, and commitment. Now, granted, it's not a company, but those are the core values that drive the culture of the Marine Corps. So for you as a business owner, and what you're trying to choose is be deliberate about the words that you select and make sure that they're tied to your company and vision statement. I'm Jason West, the founder of Officers Eat Last. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment. Take care.